Gone are the days where when vacation, the word vacation was mentioned, oh, people think of Europe, people think of the US, people think of out of Africa. But right now, vacation is in Africa. Namibia is a beautiful place filled with touristic sites that you cannot just help but admire. From the sand dunes to the desert rooms to the wildlife, it's just mind-blowing. In this video, I can just show you just a tip of the iceberg of what you should be expecting while visiting Namibia. So it's something that this 1 minute video